Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring you have the essentials: an 11 Labs account, confirmed email, and an API key in hand. Upload a clean voice sample now. Try 10 to 20 seconds at 16 kHz or higher so the model has quality data. Once done, check your billing plan and rate limits so you don't hit a cap mid-project. Make sure you store the API key securely because you will reference it in requests and scripts. Do not paste it into public repos. Next, create a voice profile either in the web console or via the API. Give it a descriptive name and choose language and style. Then tweak voice parameters, pitch, speed, and energy, so the output matches your target delivery. Apply noise reduction or cleanup filters if your sample had background hiss. Test with short sentences, listen, and iterate. Change one parameter at a time so you understand why prosody shifts. Once you have a good base, save. Finally, synthesize your full text using SSML for fine control or plain text for speed. Select the sample rate and output format like WAV for editing or MP3 for distribution. Download and tag files with metadata so you can track versions. If something goes wrong, audio clicks, robotic cadence, or errors, first verify your API key and quota, then re-examine sample quality and parameter ranges. If artifacts persist, simplify the prompt and test shorter segments to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.